Good afternoon, good morning, you know, whatever happens to be, everybody. This is Perry Mason with the Vista Extremes. They're my little speed demons. That one's sitting in an old 75 Honda, and she's dressed up like a princess. They're out helping me. Anyways, I took Zig's advice on filling the tubes up and filling actual float bowls. However, on an Idlebrock carburetor, there is no vent tubes that you could really use. So I'm just going to fill it up the traditional way. What I did is I made a handy little squirt bottle. I'm going to fill it with gas. Getting gas everywhere. Alright. I know one of you guys commented you're expecting the thing to actually start and run, and quite honestly so was I, but if you just throw gas in it, it's not gonna start and run. So here's what I did. I made this handy little squirt bottle. I took a piece of tubing, disconnected the fuel pump, and I can fill the float bowls with gas using this handy little squirt bottle. I think it's way too advanced. Should be all I really need. A little bit more gas. Ignition. I'm thinking it's mistimed. I'm gonna have to go through the ignition sequence, 1, 8, 4, and so on. Alright, this could be an alternate firing order, but I put the factory Chevy 350 firing order on it. So we'll see. Hopefully he didn't do the 4-7 swap or some other wacky shit, because he didn't write it down, obviously. Now let's see. That sounds a lot smoother. See how it goes. Hun. Abby. What? Come here, turn the ignition for a second. Grab the key, hold on a second. Hurry up. Man, it's quite a storm outside. Alright, sweet. Just hold the key in one hand, the ignition in the other, and turn it. Hell yeah, we got a liftoff. Idiot didn't even wire that ignition right. Now my neighbors love me. Hi guys! Sorry! Oof, man, it's stinky. I'm gonna put an exhaust on this sucker. What do y'all think? Racing next weekend? Что Валера? Race car, да? Dremel, no, Dremel сегодня не нужен. Race car. Race car. Yep. Alright guys, take care. And thanks for the advice, Zig. Speaking of which, check out his channel. It's called Ziggassed Up. He's a cool dude from Australia. He's an older guy. He has a really cool 38 Chevy with what amounts to an LT1 in it. But really cool guy. He has a lot of RC stuff, like jet engine RC and some other crazy stuff. But again, friendly guy, friendly advice, and it helped me out. Alright, thanks for watching. As always, keeping it real like none other.